about to come through for Virgin Trains East Coast, your 1 Alpha 20, 10:41 service from Leeds to London King's Cross. Maybe announce a non-stop. 82:203. A 91:110, the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight to London King's Cross. And now just about to leave off platform 1, your 10:44. 1 Sierra 10, Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh Waverley. 91:103. It's raining, and it's horrible. Brr. There's a whistleboard up there. (91:103) to 82. 228. 82:228 and 91:103 bound for Edinburgh Waverley. Just about to come through a very wet NNG will be your 1 Delta 08. 10:49 from London King's Cross to Leeds. 91:113 and 82:223. Just about to come through 1 Echo 5 from Edinburgh to London King's Cross, the Virgin Trains East Coast. And 43:308, the Highland Chieftain to London King's Cross from Edinburgh. Any sec pulling in for first all trains will be your 1 Hotel O2, 10:58 service from King's Cross to Hull. And that's the following units. Or unit. 180,111. Cheers. 180,111 to Hull.
Coming through?
Yeah. Just about to come through for Virgin Trains East Coast, your 13:11, 1 Sierra 16. Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Inverness to Highland Chieftain. I didn't make that name up, that's actually what they call it. 43:277. And 43:238. Just coming through for VTEC, your 1 Delta 13, service from London King's Cross to Leeds. 91:131. And 82:226. Guessing this is the Heaton to London King's Cross. 82:223. And 91:113. No, that's actually in service. That was Leeds London King's Cross for 13:08.
Back a bit.
Here comes your 13:24, 6 Echo 84 GBRF service from Middleton to Barnby. It's a very short freight train. It's the mineral train. We're about to be literally swept off our feet.
We're about to, we're on our way.
What he said.
We had a 14-year-old. Oh god, yeah.
66,714. to Barnby. Just about to come through for Virgin Trains East Coast. I'm not sure which one this is. It's either, I think this is 3 Delta 19 from Heaton Depot to London King's Cross. 82,209. And 91,120. Yes, that is Heaton to London King's Cross. Here comes some sheddage from Doncaster to Felixstowe for Freightliner. Coming on the main line. Who do we have? We're about to find out. 66,591. To Felixstowe. Now pulling it will be your 1336 Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Turbidate. Yeah, that's there's a tanker train going over the flat crossing over there. Probably can't see it. Anyway, here's 91, 105, 125 even. I'm not sure what the 82 is. '91, 125 to 82, 2 something or other from London King's Cross. Just about to come through will be your heavily delayed 1319 Virgin Trains East Coast service from Edinburgh to King's. I think, yeah, 1 Echo 10. 82-204, running around 20 minutes late. London King's Cross. 82-204, 91, 116. Going to London King's Cross. Just about pulling through for EWS will be your Dons and more sidings to Scunthorpe. Yeah, it's a ooh, pair of sheds.
Slow one, Sam.
66 126. 66 069. 66. I have no idea. I can't remember what the numbers were. 66 069, 66 125, I believe, to Scunthorpe. Just now leaving will be your 1 November 17 Virgin Trains East Coast 1344 Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Newcastle. 91 110 the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight. Newcastle. It calls it Doncaster, York, Northallerton, Darlington, Durham and Newcastle. 91 110 82 203. Bound for Newcastle. Just about to come down will be your 1 Foxtrot 11, no 1 Echo 11. The Northern Lights for Virgin Trains East Coast from Aberdeen to London King's Cross. HSD Power 43 throw 5. 43 through 17. Not sure what that one was. I missed it because someone was taking a picture. Cough, cough. Just about to leave now will be your 1 Bravo 85 1354 Virgin Trains East Coast service to London King's Cross from here. It's 82 2 something and 91 125, I think it was. I don't know. It was something like that.
It won't be noisy this one, Sam. Just look, it's not noisy. Because there's the engine over there.
Virgin. There it goes. We'll be going down there in a minute. goes 91,125. Bound for London. The last HST that came through wasn't actually this. This is 1 Echo 11 from Aberdeen to London King's Cross. The last one was 1 Alpha 30 from Leeds to London King's Cross. But this one is definitely 1 Echo 11 for 13:38. Is delayed by approximately 18 minutes. Wait, not even that. 24 minutes even. 43,306. 43,307 to London King's Cross. Just coming through for Grand Central will be your 1 November 93 from King's Cross to Sunderland for 14:07. Running a few minutes early. Well, a minute early. 43,468 bound for Sunderland. Just pulling down for Versatile Trains will be your 1 Alpha 94. Slightly delayed, 13:51. Service from Hull to London King's Cross. I've already said for Versatile Trains, so I'll say it again for Versatile Trains. Running around 16 minutes late. 180,111 again. 180,111 on its return leg to London King's Cross. Just now popping down for Vita will be your 1 Sierra 18. 14:12. Service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh. 115. At 82,222. This is 1 Delta 15, your 1418 Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Leeds. 91,114. Cathedral. 82,215. Just about to come through, but your 1408, slightly delayed, 1408. 1 Alpha 31, Virgin Trains East Coast service from Leeds to London King's Cross. 82,205 is on the front. On the rear. She's about to leave will be 43,299 with 43 something else, hang on. On your heavily delayed 1417 from, no wait, no, this isn't it. This will be your 1 November 85 from London King's Cross to York that isn't heavily delayed. 43,299 and something else. 43,299 to 43. Oh! It's Craig and Tinney, 43,300. Just about to leave off platform 2 will be your heavily delayed 1417 Virgin Trains East Coast service from Newcastle to London King's Cross. There's 82,207, which is on the front.
Are you alright? Well, I put you down here. Are you alright? Yeah?
Oh, there's a VTEC 91 on the back of it. 82,207, 91. King's Cross. Just about to come down for Freightliner / DRS apparently, according to 365 Lance, is your service. Hang on. It's from Leeds to Felixstowe. That isn't 66414 Lance, you got it wrong. Oh, it's another one though. Oh yes, it is unliveried. Oh yeah, it is 66414. It is as well. But here comes 14:43. Here comes Dave's train, 14:43 from King's Cross to Newcastle. 91:105, there goes 66 to Felixstowe, there's 91:105. and 82. .217 bound for Newcastle from London King's Cross. And from Newark Northgate here today, it's been raining and it's been shining. Here goes Dave Stafford on his train to Newcastle for Virgin Trains East Coast. So with that, I'll see you in the departure. And here goes Dave Stafford's train. It's 1 November 19 from, of course, London King's Cross to go to Newcastle. That door didn't close.
Oh, which one?
Fail. 91:105. Give it a bit of power. There he is. You probably can't see him in there because the window. There he goes.
Come back.
91:105, 82, 217. Bound for Newcastle with Dave Stafford on board it. And from me, 365 Jenny Yo-Ho. Until next time. And that, it's goodbye.